In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an image from your Google Slides presentation directly to your computer. This method is quick, efficient, and can be done without the need for any additional software. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the slide that contains the image you wish to download. This process starts with ensuring you're on the correct slide, so take a moment to browse through your slides until you locate the image you'd like to save. Once you've found it, you're ready for the next step. Hover over the image and right-click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Save to Keep. What this option does is move the image into Google Keep, where it creates a note containing the image. Once you click on Save to Keep, you'll notice that a sidebar for Google Keep pops up on the right-hand side of your screen with the image displayed as a note. It's that simple. Now, to download the image from Google Keep onto your computer, hover over the image in the sidebar and again, right-click. You'll see an option that says Save Image As, or something equivalent, depending on your browser. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save the image. Navigate through your folders until you find the desired destination, perhaps your Pictures folder, Desktop, or a specific project folder, and select Save. This step completes the download, and your image is now securely stored on your device. This method is particularly helpful because it uses integrated tools provided by Google, making it both seamless and efficient. If you're working on a presentation and need to quickly repurpose an image, this technique eliminates unnecessary steps and keeps your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Since everything is done within the Google ecosystem, you don't need to worry about losing image quality during the transfer, ensuring that your images remain crisp and clear. And there you have it, a straightforward process to download images from Google Slides using Google Keep. It's a useful skill when you need those presentation images for reports, sharing with others, or simply keeping them handy for future reference. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to manage your presentation assets with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google tools efficiently. Until next time,